Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to review ThinkVision M14. So it's a portable monitor and I will have a detailed review a little later, but this is the unboxing view. So I just got this delivered from Amazon yesterday and I'm unpacking it in front of you and we'll see what all is included in this package. So this is ThinkVision M14 portable monitor series that Lenovo launched in 2020. So it comes with few documentation, startup guide, and different language startup guide. Wow. So it also has a ThinkVision sleeve. Quite portable, quite nice material. I'll keep it here. I believe this is some kind of documentation. No, it's some wiring. Alright, so it comes with Type-C wire. And it comes with an holder. Alright. Nice packing, and now we will see our monitor. It's very sleek. This is amazing. It's very lightweight and I think it weighs only 500 grams. And see the thinness. So yeah, it's that big. And this is the bottom that becomes your stand, and this is how you place it. Yeah. So it has this movement about 90 degrees, not more than this, and it comes with power tab, Type-C USB, brightness setting, and Type-C USB port on the side as well. So no matter where your main laptop, computer, iPad is, you can place it on the either side. And it's got a thick chin, but however it has very low bezels on the other three sides. So yeah, that's about the unboxing video. I think I liked the monitor. It's very light, very compatible, and yes, you can travel with it whenever you go to your client studies. So this is how this will pack itself, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys, and I'll review this in my next video.